I feel like a Gucci ad-lib.
Anyway, okay, what's up, guys? Oh wow, I look really disgusting. So today, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be doing a room transformation. You probably have already seen the before clip of what my room looks like. My suitcase is always on the freaking floor. I am going to revamp my room, and you guys, if you guys like this video, thumbs it up. I will be revamping Kayla's room. I will revamp Kayla's room if you guys get this video to 100 likes.
I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we was more than some of.
I don't know what the vibe yet is gonna be for the room. She needs a Pinterest board. Don't have that, don't want it. This shirt is on our website, link in the description box, Queenish only. Kayla, you can't do that. I honestly don't know what color I'm gonna make my room. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to go get my chest of drawers. I wanted a tall dresser that was white. I'll put it on the screen. So
you don't even know what you just said.
hey guys, so this is Sherrod.
What's up?
Do you want to leave? Do you want me to have your Instagram name on the screen?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, guys.
Dat Sherrod, DATSSHERROD.
So he's being nice. He's taking me to go get my dresser. Very appreciative. I am finally back from the furniture store where I got the dresser and everything like that. So you guys are gonna see everything. I was gonna vlog that, but I kind of wanted it to be a surprise. So this is what my room looks like when you walk into it. So first over here you have textbooks that I had nowhere to put. Then I have this rack of hair products. As you guys could probably tell, like it's just a bunch of hair products, bleach, all that other stuff. Then I've had my freaking TV on the floor because I had nowhere else to put it. It's so annoying that I had to have my TV on the floor, but not anymore, baby, not anymore. I have my vision board and stuff like that. So yeah, it's my 2019 vision board. We're getting ready for 2020, so I'm gonna show you guys. Would you guys like to see a video of how I make my vision boards? Because I would love to do that for you guys if you guys want to see my bed when I record. So this is what you guys are facing, my bed. And this is my table with all my junk and crap. Then the chair, the infamous pink chair that I'm always spinning around in. Of course, like I said, we have the mirror here, and then my dirty clothes basket. Moving over here, we just have like this like white fur rug. Honestly, it's kind of khaki brown now because it was white, now it's kind of brown. And then I just have my suitcase, but not anymore, honey. We're gonna have a place to put all my clothes, okay? Because this is all about to go. This door right here, coming from my suitcase, this door right here is my closet. I don't even know, yeah. It's actually ridiculous, like, oh my god. So these are all my freaking shoes up there, some wigs. We got clothes, we got like lighting, storage, like a whole mirror. Oh my god, like just shoes on the floor. Y'all, it's just, I need help. November. Finally, like a whole month after I done recorded. All this time y'all have been waiting to see what my decor looks like in my room. It's been a long time coming, and finally I'm gonna show you guys what the final product looks like. Let's just insert the before. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys what this room looks like after. So excited! Ah! I hope you guys enjoy it. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get the overview. Oh my gosh! I got these really beautiful bed sheets from Target, and it's like a velvety satin material. I love the fact that my phone case matches the bed set. Came with these decorative pillows, this one, and then of course the pillows in the back. Going onto this wall, when you open my door, you will see this really cute picture wall thing that I have here. I got both of these paintings or pictures from Dollar General. I think it was Dollar General, I'm pretty sure. And it was about $4 for this. They were marked down. It was $8 originally, and I got them both for $4 a piece. This entire plant thing right here, I made myself with some twine I got from Dollar Tree, and I just took some fake plastic plants from Dollar General and I kind of intertwined it on there. That was literally around like freaking $5 to make. These portrait frames are from Dollar Tree. They're just regular gold. I just printed out on my regular printer a picture of that painting right there and put it in the frame, and I took the definition of girl boss. Then I just put this like really nice like queen quote, the queen. From here you move on to this accent wall, guys. A lot of the products that I did decorate with came from D&D's, Ross, and Dollar General. So these flowers that I got to surround my name are from D&D's. They were about $14 or $12, I think, just for all three. Pretty affordable. I just love the way it looks on this wall with my name. I got this wooden name engravement that says Queen Key. I got that from Etsy.com, and I'll leave a link to the company that I used. Not to mention, there is a white fuzzy rug that is on the ground so that when I step onto the floor in the morning, I can step onto a nice fuzzy carpet. I also got from D&D's. I'm pretty sure I want to say it was $20 to get this fuzzy white rug. Moving on to the right side of my room, I wanted to pay homage to my black queens, my Nubian black African queens. Yes, I got this painting from D&D's as well. The price is on the back. I'm pretty sure it was like $18, I think. It just reminds me of strong women. Ugh, I love it. Now moving on to my workstation where I do my makeup and everything. Super adorable. So like this plant over here in the corner, the rack where I keep my powders and sunglasses and things like that. Also in this gold cup right here. All of these items are from D&D's. Everything as you see on the table was pretty much less than $11, I want to say. Just very, very affordable. I love going to D&D's for decorations. I did show how I DIY'd this chair. I'm just going to post the clips of what I did to get this chair to look like this. This is my infamous pink chair that I always spin around in, you guys, in my videos, and I made it into a fuzzy pink chair with golden legs. Definitely need to spray paint them again because there's some spots missing here. but it was a really nice and cute DIY project. I love it. This table was not originally gold. I painted this entire workstation table gold. It was never gold, it was blue. I love it gold. It's so much better. It's so much cuter gold. I got this bad boy on Amazon. I was stuck with using that mirror, that handheld mirror all the time, you guys, so I'm so happy that I went and just purchased this. I'll leave a link to this mirror in the description as well. Hello. And it does light up. Honestly, the lights really don't work. I just use my ring light. Like, if I was in the dark, it'd still be dark. So yeah, the lights really ain't all that, but the mirror quality is amazing. Moving on to my light wall. I did not feel like taking off the Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful. To all of my family, I love you guys. If I left out any pictures, I need to add to this, honestly, but all I did was just take some clothespins that I got from Dollar General, the small mini ones, and printed out some pictures on our printer and just cut them out and put them on here. I just wanted to have a little wall that was filled with memories and people that I love. All the products that are sitting on top of my TV or in front of the TV is from D&D's. Oh, let's see how much this costs. This is from DD's and it was $6.99, guys. This is also from DD's. I just kind of kept this here. It's like a candle holder. I don't have one to put in there. This was $5.99. And then I picked up this dresser set from American Outlet, and it's awesome. I freaking desperately needed a dresser. Y'all know that my TV was on the floor for a long time. So excited that I finally have a dresser to put my stuff into and put a TV on top of. So blessed. Closing on into this last side of our wall, I have of course my calendar where I keep all my school stuff. Your girl just got accepted into UCF. This right here is just a regular plastic cutout of a K, the letter K, and all the flowers that I used from the flower wall thing. Literally just took the heads, I ripped the heads off of them, and I just glued them onto this K. I just created this like letter K flower thing, and it's so cute. Then I have this painting that says Hello Gorgeous. It is glittery, if you guys cannot tell. It's just got lips on it, and it says Hello Gorgeous. I have my hair rack. I just keep all my hair products, gel, my bonnets, my scarves, like everything hair. And then of course I got myself a little mirror so that I can look and see what my outfits look like when before I leave. I can just go ahead and look at myself, check myself out. I got this mirror from Walmart. Good thing my room was blue and gold. I kept a lot of my old stuff. I have another mirror that I just like write cute stuff on. I just think it's really nice to be able to write nice and beautiful things for yourself, to encourage yourself, because we need more encouragement in this world, and I just think it's super cute to see that. All right, guys, that is my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. We came a long way. Y'all let me know if I should start a little series of me like upgrading people's rooms and stuff, because I love doing it, especially if you have a budget and you know you want to upgrade your room, make it look nice. I love decorating. I'll try to leave all of the links in the description for the products that I mentioned and the things that I think you guys would love to have for yourself in your room. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part of my entire room is. My bed, my queen key wall, the flower thing, the portraits, the mirror that I write my stuff on. I was gonna let you guys know the grand total of, you know, the whole upgrade was around $285. With that being said, the decorations were the cheapest thing. I promise you guys, the cheapest thing. Go to places like DD's Discounts, Ross, Target, Marshalls. Well, Target's kind of expensive, I ain't gonna lie. The most expensive thing was the bed sheets, and then of course this dresser, because I'm paying for a whole piece of furniture. So it was like $107, I think, for the dresser. The thing from Etsy, I think it was over $20. Especially with shipping, it was like over $20. So I will leave all that in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed once again. I love you guys, each and every single one of you guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.